From cordless drills to compact hedge trimmers, today's power tools are smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. We've seen innovations like the Metabo HPT DS18 drill delivering best-in-class torque, the STIL HSA 45 hedge trimmer offering cable-free freedom, and the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus drain auger tackling clogs with ease. These aren't just tools, they're game changers for DIY enthusiasts who want professional results at home. When strength and reliability matter, KSEIBI bolt cutters deliver. Built with hardened alloy steel jaws, they slice through tough materials with clean, precise cuts every time. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty chains, bolts, or rods, these cutters are engineered to perform without compromise. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue even during extended use. Rugged, dependable, and designed for professionals and DIYers alike, KSEIBI bolt cutters are the tool you'll reach for when the job demands power and accuracy. Add them to your toolbox today and experience cutting performance you can trust. When the job calls for precision and power, the Vevor electric rebar bender is your ultimate solution. Engineered with a high-torque motor, it bends steel reinforcement bars quickly and effortlessly, saving valuable time on site. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its compact design makes it easy to transport and operate in tight spaces. With user-friendly controls and a stable grip, even demanding tasks become smooth and efficient. Whether you're working on construction projects, structural repairs, or DIY builds, this tool delivers consistent results without compromise. Built for professionals yet accessible to anyone, the Vevor electric rebar bender transforms heavy-duty bending into a straightforward, reliable process. Add it to your toolkit and experience the perfect balance of speed, strength, and control. Power meets portability with the DS18DDX 18V Subcompact cordless drill. Delivering an impressive 485 inch-pounds of torque, it's best in class for strength, while remaining ultra-compact at just 6.2 inches long and 1.9 pounds. That's 25% shorter and 20% lighter than its predecessor, making it perfect for confined work areas. The half-inch keyless chuck ensures a secure grip and quick bit changes, while 20 clutch settings plus drill mode give you the flexibility to match any application. A responsive variable speed trigger provides ultimate control, and the brushless motor achieves up to 36% more speed with a max no-load RPM of 1700. Whether on the job site or at home, Metabo HPT's Subcompact series offers the ideal balance of power, speed, and convenience. Tools designed to grab and go wherever precision is needed. Take on tough drilling tasks with confidence using the Kango HyperTorque Impact Step Drill Range. Designed to drill into or expand existing holes in metal and PVC, these bits feature laser-etched size marks for long-lasting readability and precise diameter control. The titanium-aluminum toughened coating reduces heat buildup, extending bit life even under heavy use. Engineered with a HyperTorque torsion zone, they absorb extreme torque peaks when paired with an impact driver, ensuring durability and performance. The twin flute design enhances material removal, making every cut cleaner and faster. Compatible with both drill drivers and impact drivers, this range includes versatile sizes: 4 to 12 mm 9-step, 4 to 20 mm 9-step, and 4 to 30 mm 12-step. Built for professionals and DIYers alike, Kando step drill bits deliver precision, strength, and efficiency where it matters most. More solutions, more ways to work, more C-Rex. These innovative kits are designed to give professionals unmatched speed and versatility on the job site. At the core is the C-Rex cleanable reversible magnetic hex driver, engineered for quick size changes with a simple flip. The magnetic tip secures fasteners firmly, while the cleanable design clears debris fast, keeping performance sharp and reliable. Each kit includes durable service options, pro-grade premium grip handles, and flip bit plus handle sets, all organized for easy access and built to withstand heavy use. Whether you're driving screws in tight spaces or tackling repetitive fastening tasks, these kits deliver efficiency, control, and durability. Malco's new C-Rex kits are the smarter way to work, tools that keep pace with demanding professionals and make every fastening job faster. Power, precision, and portability come together in the E-Carc Cordless Brad Nailer. Designed for seamless compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, this tool delivers reliable performance wherever the job takes you. Its advanced brushless motor ensures longer life, greater efficiency, and consistent driving power. With 2 firing modes, you can switch between sequential and contact operation to match the demands of your project, whether it's fine trim work or rapid fastening. Safety is built in, thanks to an integrated LED light that enhances visibility and reduces errors in dimly lit spaces. Lightweight yet durable, this Brad Nailer is engineered for professionals and DIYers who value speed, accuracy, and convenience. From cabinetry to finishing touches, the E-Carc Cordless Brad Nailer makes every fastening job smarter, safer, and more efficient. Say goodbye to complicated tools and welcome the ease of true one-handed operation. The ICP BJ02 PEX clamp tool is engineered to free your hands completely, allowing you to secure stainless steel clamps with effortless precision. Designed for professionals who demand speed and reliability, this crimper handles sizes 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch with consistent accuracy. Its streamlined design reduces fatigue while maximizing efficiency, making repetitive tasks faster and smoother. Built with durable materials to withstand heavy use, it's a tool that keeps pace with demanding workflows. Whether you're tackling large PV installations or quick service jobs, the ICP BJ02 delivers unmatched convenience and control. Revolutionize your workflow with a clamp tool that combines simplicity, strength, and professional-grade performance all in one compact, easy-to-use design. Too many tools? Endless searching? Unreliable results? If that sounds familiar when installing PV systems, it's time for a smarter solution. The KNIPX Multi-Crimp PV973303 is the all-round crimping tool designed to simplify every step of your workflow. With all essential crimping inserts for conductors, terminals, and connectors at hand, including dedicated inserts for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors in 4 and 6 mm squared, you'll always have the right fit ready. The innovative rotating magazine clips directly to your belt, keeping every insert organized and within reach. Built for durability and precision, this tool eliminates wasted time and delivers consistent, professional-grade results. Whether you're tackling large PV installations or quick service jobs, the Multi-Crimp PV ensures efficiency, reliability, and convenience in one compact design. Versatility meets speed with the Worksite 20-volt cordless oscillating multi-tool. Designed for cutting, sanding, scraping, and more, this powerhouse delivers up to 18,000 OPM for fast, precise results across a wide range of materials. A convenient clamping lever allows for quick blade changes in as little as 15 seconds, minimizing downtime and keeping your workflow efficient. Safety is built in, with an additional locking bracket that protects your fingers during the blade change process, ensuring peace of mind while you work. Powered by a reliable lithium battery, this tool combines portability with consistent performance, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling detailed projects or heavy-duty tasks, the Worksite multi-tool provides the cutting power, control, and convenience you need to get the job done right. Clogs don't stand a chance when you've got the right tool in hand. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ 35-foot drain auger is engineered to clear drains quickly and efficiently, powered by the same 1+ battery system trusted across hundreds of Ryobi tools. With a 35-foot reinforced cable, it reaches deep into sinks, tubs, and showers to tackle stubborn blockages with ease. The forward and reverse feeding mechanism provides smooth cable control, while the powered drum reduces fatigue compared to manual augers. Designed for convenience, the tool features an integrated LED light to illuminate dark work areas and a removable drum cover for easy cleaning. Lightweight, cordless, and built for reliability, this drain auger is the ultimate solution for fast, hassle-free clearing. Keep your plumbing flowing with the power and versatility of Ryobi One Plus. Take cleaning power anywhere with the freedom of cordless design. The Zixton X cordless pressure washer delivers high-performance water pressure without the hassle of cords or bulky equipment. Powered by a reliable lithium battery, it's perfect for tackling outdoor tasks like washing cars, patios, bikes, and garden furniture. Lightweight and portable, this washer is built for convenience, giving you the flexibility to clean wherever you need it. The ergonomic handle and easy-to-use controls ensure comfort and efficiency, while multiple nozzle options provide versatility for different surfaces. Durable construction means it's ready for repeated use, whether at home or on the go. With Zixton X, you get professional-grade cleaning power in a compact, cordless package, making everyday maintenance faster, smarter, and more effortless. Do you value a well-maintained hedge, even in a smaller garden? The STIL HSA 45 cordless hedge trimmer makes it effortless. Cable-free, it offers complete freedom of movement, allowing you to trim comfortably in confined spaces or around the house. Its cutting performance is ideal for twigs and thin branches, delivering clean, precise results every time. Lightweight and easy to handle, this trimmer reduces fatigue during longer sessions, while the quiet battery operation ensures minimal disturbance to your surroundings. Designed for convenience, it's perfect for homeowners who want professional quality results without the hassle of heavy equipment. Compact, reliable, and efficient, the HSA 45 is the smart choice for keeping hedges neat. Enjoy the balance of power and comfort in a tool built to make garden care simple. The Jonar ED20 Pro is a cordless 4-in-1 solution that vacuums wet spills, dry debris, hard floors, and even mattresses, all with powerful 17,000 PA suction. Its brushless motor delivers consistent performance, while intelligent voice reminders guide operation and maintenance. A self-cleaning roller and automatic drying function keep the unit hygienic and ready for the next task, saving you time and effort. With up to 22 minutes of runtime, it's ideal for small to medium homes covering up to 120 meters squared on a single charge. Edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no corner is missed, and the ADP A75-degree lay-flat design makes reaching under furniture effortless. Compact, versatile, and efficient, the ED20 Pro transforms everyday cleaning into a smarter, faster, and more convenient experience. Whether you're building, repairing, or maintaining, the right tool transforms effort into achievement. With innovations like cordless convenience, quick change systems, and multifunction designs, these 13 picks prove that DIY can be both powerful and enjoyable. Add them to your arsenal and elevate every project.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.